Is your Bentley making strange engine sounds? Here's what it could mean and how to fix it. If your Bentley has started making strange engine noises, it's more than just a small inconvenience. It could be a signal that something serious is wrong under the hood. From subtle clicks to aggressive knocks, engine sounds are your car's way of crying out for attention. In this video, we'll help you identify these sounds, understand what they mean, and guide you on how to get them fixed before any major damage occurs. Unusual Bentley engine noises and their causes. Number 1. Ticking or clicking during acceleration. Possible reason: low oil pressure, worn lifters, or faulty fuel injectors. Recommended. Action: check engine oil level and quality. If the noise continues, get the lifters or injectors examined by a Bentley certified technician. Number 2. Deep knocking or pinging sound. Possible reason: engine knocking from using the wrong fuel or timing issues. Recommended action: always use premium fuel as recommended. If knocking persists, have your ignition timing and spark plugs checked. Number 3. Squealing at engine start. Possible reason: loose or worn accessory belts. Recommended action: belts may need tightening or replacement. Inspect pulleys and belt tensioners as part of a regular service check. Number 4. Whining when accelerating. Possible reason: transmission or power steering issues. Recommended action: check fluid levels. A whining noise could indicate worn bearings or pump issues. Don't delay professional diagnosis. Number 5. Hissing or sizzling post-ignition. Possible reason: coolant leak or vacuum hose issues. Recommended action: look for signs of leaking coolant on engine surfaces. Ensure all vacuum lines are properly connected and sealed. Number 6. Rattling at idle. Possible reason: loose components like exhaust heat shields or engine mounts. Recommended action: let a technician inspect the undercarriage and engine bay for any unsecured parts that need tightening or replacement. Number 7. Grinding noise at start. Possible reason: faulty starter motor or flywheel damage. Recommended action: if you hear a grinding noise during ignition, get the starter system and flywheel examined immediately. How to stay ahead of costly repairs. Schedule routine service every 10,000 miles or as recommended. Listen and act early. The longer you wait, the more expensive the fix. Use Bentley-approved fluids and parts to maintain system performance. Unusual engine sounds should never be ignored, especially in a precision-engineered vehicle like a Bentley. Identifying the sound early and understanding its cause can save you from major repairs down the line. Whether it's a ticking lifter or a whining gearbox, trust your instincts and seek expert help. Your Bentley deserves the best care to continue delivering the luxury and performance you expect.